How to generate QR code for Airtel Esim. I'm going to show you how you can easily generate a QR code for Airtel Esim. First, start the process by sending an SMS in this format to 121. Then enter your correct email ID here. If the email ID is valid, you will get a response back from 121 giving you confirmation for the start of the process. You will have to reply with 1 to confirm your request. In case your email is not valid, you will get a response from 121 to restart the process with the correct mail ID. If your email has changed, it will also guide you through the process of updating your email ID. In addition, if your email validation is complete, you will get another SMS from 121 to give your consent over a call for activation of the eSIM. If you miss the call and the consent is not given, the request for eSIM will get cancelled. Once you provide your consent for the eSIM, you will get one final SMS from 121. The text will inform you about a QR code that will be sent to your mail ID. The QR code is the most important step of the process. You will have to scan the QR code immediately. Post that, it will take around 2 hours for eSIM to get activated. Meanwhile, your physical SIM will remain active. Follow the below steps to scan the QR code sent in your mail. Now head over to the settings section. Then, choose the mobile data option and then add the data plan. After that, you will see an option to scan the QR code which you have received in your mail. Now select the label eSIM option.